Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue series number 2 previous year question paper analysis. So let's start from question number 11. Beside literature, Tagore contributed to architecture, music, archaeology, occult science. Correct answer option number B, music. Rabindra Sangeet, also known as a Tagore songs. Tagore was a prolific composer, around 2,232 songs to his credit. Next question, who made a film on Tagore's The Home and the World? Options are Mrinal Sen, Ritvik Ghatak, Satyajit Ray, Tapan Sen. Correct answer option number C, Satyajit Ray. The Home and the World. It is a 1984 Indian Bengali romantic drama film directed by Satyajit Ray, based upon 1916 novel Ghare Bare, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Satyajit Ray was one of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century. Next question. The Shadow Lines is a novel by Satyajit Ray, Vijay Tendulkar, Amitabh Ghosh, Khushwant Singh. So correct answer option number C, Amitabh Ghosh. The Shadow Lines, written 1988. It is a novel written by Amitabh Ghosh and a Sahitya Academy Award winning novel. It is split into two parts. First, Going Away, and second, Coming Home. The novel follows the life of a young boy, Tridib, who is educated in Delhi, and follow the experiences he has in London. Next question. On which issue is Amitabh Ghosh The Great Rearrangement written? Options are immigration, globalization, cultural degradation, climate change. Correct answer option number D, climate change. Amitabh Ghosh The Great Rearrangement, other name Climate Change and Unthinkable, published in 2016. It is a non-fiction book addressing climate change. The book is composed into three parts. First part composed stories, second part composed history, and third part composed politics. Next question. Besides writing in English, A.K. Ramanujan also wrote in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. Correct answer option number C, Kannada. A.K. Ramanujan, its full name Attipat Krishnaswamy Ramanujan, born 16th of March 1929 and died 13th of July 1993, was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature who wrote both in English and Kannada. Ramanujan was a poet, scholar, professor, translator and playwright. His academic research ranged across 5 languages: English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and Sanskrit. Next question. If the word conduct is used as noun, then the accent falls on. Options are first syllable, second syllable, none of the syllable, all the syllable. Correct answer option number A, first syllable. The conduct, emphasize on the first syllable. Con is the noun meaning a standard of behavior, while the conduct, stress on a duct, conduct, emphasize on the second syllable, is the verb. So meaning is caused to direct or to convey. Next question. Allophones in English are distinctive, contrastive, in complementary distribution, none of above. Correct answer option number C, in complementary distribution. So allophones are a kind of phoneme that change its sound based on how a word is spelled. So phoneme are the smallest sound units capable of conveying a meaning. Next question. Which of the following is not a book by Khushwant Singh? The Sunset Club, Truth, Love and Little Malice, Train to Pakistan, Band in the Forest. Correct answer option number D, Band in the Forest, not written by Khushwant Singh. The Sunset Club, published 2010. The Truth, Love and Malice, 2002. And The Train to Pakistan, 1956. Next question. The Fairy Queen is a poem by Chaucer, Edmund Spenser, Milton, John Dryden. Correct answer option number B, Edmund Spenser. The Fairy Queen is an English epic poem written by Edmund Spenser, first published in 1590. The Fairy Queen, it is the longest poem in a Spenserian stanza. So Edmund Spenser, born 1552 and died 13th January 1599, and contemporary of William Shakespeare. Next question. Dramatic monologue is considered the forte of Elizabeth Gaskell, Shakespeare, Donne, Robert Browning. Correct answer option number D, Robert Browning. The dramatic monologue as launched in English literature during the Victorian period by Robert Browning. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.